toast batter, which is the easiest of all. So the first thing is I have 4 eggs. Next item is quarter cup of whole milk. A quarter cup of sugar. This goes in. Whisk it. Let me put some quarter teaspoon of ground nutmeg. And then a quarter teaspoon of cinnamon. Yes. Half a teaspoon of good quality vanilla. This smells so wonderful already. That's it. You don't need to overdo it. I have a beautiful loaf of brioche here. I prefer brioche for my French toast because it gives that additional layer of richness. You can use any type of brioche or regular bread for your French toast. Let me just give a good thick slices here. I'm gonna make 4. Alright, that should be good. Smells so great. Looks like my griddle is ready and cracking. Let me butter it a little bit. I'm going to turn on the light here. It smells so great. Let's dip a big thick slice of French brioche bread in here and then soak it in this rich custard. That's it. That's all it takes. I'm going to drop it on my griddle. First one goes. In goes the second one. Third one. And the last. Let's just put this as an extra snack for Yannis. I have space here on my griddle. see if it's ready on one side. Yes, it is. Put it. My French toasts are ready. It was that easy. The fruits that go with it, can use any type of berries, bananas. I had some strawberries and bananas. I'm gonna cut them. Get some butter on top of this French toast. Yummy. Put some fruits here on the side. It took me 5 minutes and it's delicious, decadent, and so easy. Yes, that's should be good. So I'm going to put a little bit of powdered sugar on top of it just to give that festive look. Obviously, of course, we're in Christmas season, so anything to make it look and feel better. That looks like dusting of snow right there. Okay, so now my French toasts are ready and I'm going to serve it along with drizzling of maple syrup, high quality maple syrup, and that's it. Breakfast fit for gods. I'm sure Yannis is going to be super happy. Coffee. Get some coffee spoons. Right. Today's Sunday brunch is ready. I made wonderful French toast. I'm looking forward to see Yannis' reaction.
Whoa, that's a nice surprise. Cheers.
Cheers.
enjoy my video, please subscribe, then press the bell button to receive notifications when a new video arrives. And don't forget to click on that like button and share it with your friends and family.
Let's see. Let's see. What are the things?